Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check GPU temperatures in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. I want you to go to this website or look for HWinFO, okay? And this is their homepage because this is actually a free software that you can check temperatures of your CPU, GPU in most cases, and set them up in your um, device or computer. So let me show what exactly looks like after you've uninstalled or installed this in your computer. We'll show something like this in a moment. There's also a premium or pro version of this, but we don't really need that. So yeah, here it is. It's showing up my GPU temperatures. Normal is Uh, what I mean is minimum is 51, maximum 53, and average is 51. So I'm currently sitting on 51. So it will actually provide you with real-time reports on the temperatures of your components. And they can do this as long as your computer is on, though, like 24/7. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.